little things add up. Greatness is just a series of small things done well. I'm here to get more out of myself. And why do I do it all? It's not the strength or the looks or the girls. That's just a bonus. I do it because when I'm tested with a battle in life, I know that I can handle it. I have the ability to go through anything that's thrown my way. Because I've been through hell and back. And I'm not done yet. There's still work that needs to be done. Because there is no finish line. You haven't reached your mark yet because there is no mark. Tomorrow is a new day and a new goal. Tomorrow is a fresh start. And if you're not improving, you're dying. Your only opponent is yourself. And let me tell you, that's the toughest one there is. The one staring back at you in the mirror saying, I did it. What's next? I want more, and there better be something bigger and better the next time around, because pain is the touchstone of growth. I go to battle every day, because we're in a war to see the person that I am, but more importantly, the man that I'll become. And I'm telling you,